po ang highlight brought to you by Manila Beer. Look at the attacks of Nonito, the Filipino Flash Donaire.
He is flashy today.
The Filipino punch, the Filipino flash, but with the power of the Incredible Hulk.
Roberto Garcia working the corner together with Jonathan with Peñalosa. Round number 7 is going to the southpaw stance. Balik na sa southpaw.
Round number 7, WBA Interim Super Flyweight Championship. Nonito Donaire kontra kay Hernan Tyson Marquez ng Mexico. At kayo po, sa ating manual na bilangan, Diyos ko, malayo na po ang agwat ni Nonito Donaire.
That was a good left by Marquez that time. But Donaire's hand speed is also too much for
Look at the
Marquez.
way sidestep si Donaire.
Saka yung bilis ang kamay niya, mabilis ang kamay niya.
He has the reflexes of a tiger. Very, very sharp itong si Nonito Donaire. So far, ha?
Yes.
Mamaya mga kaibigan, main event, WBO Featherweight Championship, Bernabe Concepcion kontra kay Juanma Lopez. Huwag po kayong bibitaw.
Tyson,
Marami pong aksyon darating.
see Tyson trying to come back. He connected with a good left to the midsection, but that's the only punch.
Hindi mo matatalo si Donaire pag kanyang dumidistansya ka. Sapagkat napakalaki po ng diferensya sa reach. And like that, yan ay favorable para kay Nonito Donaire, yung ganyang style. And he's even backpedaling. He's even widening the gap between him and Donaire. He must be lunging in. Take some chances itong si Tyson Marquez. So far so good for Nonito Donaire. Pero wala pong kumpiyansa sapagkat kanina sa first fight natin, lamang na lamang si Edinson Sona. Nadali.
Katapos 4 ng low blows.
Oo.
Katapos 2 knockdown, talo siya.
9th round knockout defeat for Edinson Sona kontra ko kay Jonathan Oquendo in a fight that he was winning. Yan po ang ating opening fight.
Marquez
Slowing down a little.
Marquez is having a little better round this time.
That is still the ring generalship of Donaire that is dictating the tempo. Hindi makapuro itong si Tyson Marquez eh.
Tyson Marquez with a low blow there.
Beautiful
Right
right hand. Another left by Donaire. Mapa-short distance, mapa-long distance ang laban, dinodominate ni Nonito Donaire. You can see the hesitancy dito kay Tyson Marquez. Oh, look at that jab. Left by Marquez. Pero sporadic eh.
Sporadic
Atake
yan.
ni ano eh. Sporadic ang atake ni Marquez.
Yes, final 10 seconds.
Ito po yung round number 7. So far, Donaire, although mas nag-upgrade ng konti si Marquez sa pensa.
Yeah.
End of the round.
Time now for the Cobra Tunay na Lakas Punch of the Round.
At narito po ang highlight ng previous round. Brought to you by Manila Beer. Lakas na walang sabit. Ayun, sumabit po ang kaliwa ni Marquez. Pero isang sabit lang yun.
Maganda yung menu na.
Maganda.
Sa Puerto
Oo.
Rico.
Maganda po ang ating venue.
Round 8.
So far.
WBA Interim Super Flyweight title on the line. Donaire the champion, Marquez the challenger.
So far mga kaibigan, all Donaire show po ang ating nakikita, but let's not forget, may punching power po yung Tyson Marquez.
Yeah.
So, alam mo, boxing, hindi katulad ng basketball, kapag lamang na, hindi na makakahabol, mahirap na kapag isang segundo sa boxing, kahit isang segundo, pag nakatama ka, pwede ka pa manalo. Oh, big left. Narrowly missing the chin of Nonito Donaire. So far, again.
This is a